Now, I'm going to talk a bit more about the basic ideas in object-oriented programming, but let's see it in action so you have something to hang your hat on. So let's begin by copying over this final folder called Site Using a Class in our fifth folder in our resource pack, and we'll jump over to our site directory and rename site 08.site, paste in our new folder and rename it site, and we'll expand this. Now the bulk of our changes are in our crud.php file, so I'm going to open that up. And you see we start out things with some new syntax, class here. But if you scroll through, you'll see that we have a list of functions, function crud, function view. If we scroll down a bit more, we have function form. Scrolling down more, we have function validate. I'm going to scroll down a bit more, function process. And hopefully by now, you're seeing a pattern. These functions, except for the first one that we saw, line up directly with what we were seeing in our CRUD script. This time though, the name of the function is actually really simple. We have validate, we have process, and if we scroll down, we'll see this similar structure, delete, and display page. So minus, if we scroll up the top, so minus this whole class bit right here, and this function called CRUD, everything else here is very similar to what we had before. If we take a look at actually calling one of these functions, let's jump back to our site directory and open up our pages.php file in our admin folder. This is our management file. We even set everything up the same way here. Our options are the same, but then these final two lines are a little bit different. We set CRUD as new CRUD, and then we pass it options. And then to get our content, we run display page, which is part of CRUD here. Now I'm going to come back and explain what these new syntaxes mean after we demonstrate this in action, but I just wanted you to see that the changes are actually not that dramatic. Okay, I'm going to go back to the browser and I'll go to the administration page by clicking on my account. I'll click on administer pages, and you see we have our full listing here. Again, this is being generated through our new CRUD class. I can click edit next to one of these. I can change the content and click save changes, and everything works as it should. So there's nothing new here in terms of functionality. The only difference is the way that we're thinking about our code now.